Today is a quick video to show you guys the new Valentino's lipsticks. It is the new packaging and there are a few new colors. The new collection has two different formulations. One is more towards cream satin finish and the other one is more matte finish. But unfortunately, stupidly, I bought a same color, so already had 111A. That I only see the swatches that I chose the same color. Yeah. Anyway, we'll be able to show you guys the other new color, which is 142A. As I got previous two classic packagings as well, I think today just going to show you guys mainly the formulation. Therefore, you guys can just choose your preferred colors and show you guys the three colors together. The new packaging this time is absolutely a beauty. The actual covers remain the same as their classic ones, but the color this time, I mean the packaging color, is a so romantic lady nude. It's so nice. It really matches their brand personality. Let's put it that way. Just a small thing, the golden side, the golden plate side, it looks very lovely now, but for a while, once it gets oxidized, it does look like a little dot of croching things on there, so it doesn't look as luxury as when you just received it. Just FYI. And that's a start from one of their new colors. 142A is it has a strong personality color. This color has a very strong personality. The reflection of this one is really nice. If you attend events, black tie dinner, this color is must have. It has good balance of red and brown in there, and with the reflection itself is really bring the whole style into a higher class, let's put it that way. Especially if your dress need more makeup support, let's put it that way, straight away think about this one. The other one is their classic color 111A, which they have in their previous collection. This time by mistake. I was going to buy more colors, but when I gone back to their website, the colors I wanted all sold out. All sold out. So 111A is their matte finish. It's very creamy. When you glide it on, you literally feel like you glide with your butter stick. That's how you feel. Both formulations are very comfortable to wear. Can you see the difference? This is just a thin layer. Very lady. 111A, this color from Valentino, I highly recommend. It's quite a unique color itself. It has kind of like all colors in there. It has browns, it has paddles, and it also has like red tea or, you know, paddle berry color in there as well. It's very good balancing. So when you see it's like thin layer, it's more towards paddle. And when you layer it up, it has more brown color showing. Personally feel it suits more occasions, suits more people, suits more personalities. Very nice one. If you want to choose one color from Valentino to start with, I would recommend 111A, this one. On my lip, when you layer it up, it's more brown red, but still mixed with the berry. Slightly purpley. Also, you can see the lip lines. It is still reflecting some lighting, so it doesn't emphasize your lip lines. Quickly mention the formulation on the lip. It is matte, but doesn't make your lip get drier and drier. Next color is 409A. This one is more like pumpkin orange red. Same formulation as 111A, is more matte finish. When it's a thin layer, it's very gentle and soft color. When you layer it up, it's like a creamy pumpkin soup, that type of color base. This one goes very well with my type of skin tones or yellow based skin tones. This one gives you younger energy. Lastly, let's try 217A. This is an example that come with this new collection. I bought two. Quite cute, isn't it? I don't know if any of you guys like me, when you receive lipstick samples like this, you always think, oh, it must be the colors that they want to get rid of or they couldn't get rid of. However, I quite like it this time. It's a satin finish, and the beauty of this color is, let me show you. When you layer it up, you feel it's more towards like a warmer undertone, with more brown showing. But when you do a thin layer, it's more berry. It's a very, very straightforward berry, like a cool tone berry color. Again, going to do a thin layer first. It's very different compared to this one, isn't it? But it's nice color. Thin layer is very much a daily wearable. If you go for slightly cool toned eye look, this one goes perfectly. Or if you like more berry based colors, this one is very nice. This one is not too purpley. If it's too purpley, wouldn't be that friendly for colored skin tone. I think this has good balance of red and the raspberry berry color. It has good balance. I have to say, Valentino's lipstick, like a color designs, it matches its brand level. It's high quality, high class, good attention to details, color design. Others, well, I didn't have a good experience with their cushion foundations and eyeshadows. I haven't tried it yet. It's a little bit too dear. Just every time I want to look at it, I'm just like, do I really want to spend that much? I'm still debating. Any of you use the Valentino's eyeshadow palettes or any other their product, any particular items you absolutely love and you totally feel is worth the money, please leave the comments down below. I certainly check out. When you layer up, this is the full power of this color. You see, it shows more brown and red rather than the more berry color, isn't it? Oh, and I really like its reflection. It's very, very high class. Very high class. This color is different from 142A though. 142A is more brown. Clear difference here. This is another color suitable for fine dining, or you need to really lift your personality and a power especially. Ooh. Overall, the Petal Nude collection, for the packaging perspective, is the highest score I would give. I absolutely love this type of packagings and the color designs. Once they have colors back in stock, I think I'd probably go for another couple. Should I? Or should I just leave it? As I know the formulations now. Formulation, I have to say, definitely yes. If you have a budget and you like Valentino's, you just need to pick your preferred colors. In terms of lasting, the matte one lasts slightly longer than this satin finish for obvious reasons, but this satin finish does last longer than average ones. It does transfer, by the way. See? But you don't have any impact on the lip itself. For the satin one, the reflection, I have to say, it does fade out slightly after an hour or two, especially if you drink water or had snacks. The color will still remain, but the reflection will be reduced, by the way. Hope you guys liked today's video. If you do click the like button, and most importantly, to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video.